That'd be great.
That'd be great.
Yes, that'd be great.
I think that would be great.
That would be, thank you, that would be great.
Yeah, that would be great.
Yeah, that would be great.
Oh, yeah, that would be great, Mrs. Golachevsky.
Oh, that'd be great. Thank you, ma'am.
I'll go get the car.
That would be great. Justin.
You know, if you're gonna work late, I can look in on him for you.
Oh, that'd be great.
Oh, you need some clothes.
Yes, that'd be great.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that would be great.
If you want, I could talk to Mike for you.
That would be great.
Oh, honey, we can afford to get you that new belt for church.
Oh, that'd be great.
I know. You don't even have to pay me. I promise I'll take super good care of her.
Okay, well, that would be great. Thank you.
Don't worry about it. Hey, after this, how about we all go out and do something together?
That would be great. Thank you.
Leonard, look, if you want to meet my friends, that would be great. I just, I didn't want you to be bored.
Thank you very much for the invitation. We will try and make it.
That would be great.
Oh, of course. We can all be friends. That would be great. It's just sometimes it's gonna be just me and Jake without you.
Wow. That would be great.
Really?
Yeah, that would be fantastic. My nephew is crazy about the Knicks.